Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel, Side Hustle Bros. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 12 easy steps on how to increase your YouTube subscribers. Now without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel, Side Hustle Bros. Step number 1, you need to create consistent content. Creating consistent content should not be very hard for you to do, but what you can do is schedule your content and post them gradually during the course of a week or so. Step number 2, you need to leverage by creating your channel trailer. When you create the channel trailer, it shows persons that, hey, this person is serious about what they're doing, as well as it gives your channel a professional look. Step number 3, you need to ask your viewers directly to subscribe. You can simply do it by doing this. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and make sure to turn on post notifications. Without any further ado, let's get back into today's video. There you saw I just put a promo in there asking persons to subscribe. Step number 4, you need to make it easy for people to subscribe. Making it easy for people to subscribe is simply by creating that subscribe link or that subscription link. Here's an example of what the subscription link looks like here on screen. Step number 5, you need to create engaging thumbnails. When you create engaging thumbnails, you need to have thumbnails like, for example, what bright side or bright smile the channel has. Step number 6, you need to collaborate with other creators. When you collaborate with other creators, it would expand your fan base, as well as new grounds would be covered, because most times persons don't know your channel or who you are. But by exposing your channel to other creators, you have an advantage of gaining new subscribers. Step number 7, create searchable titles. Now, the title of this video is how to increase subscribers on YouTube. I'm sure monthly, many persons are searching for that same specific keyword, so it makes it very easy when it comes to searching for a title like that. Now, step number 8, create bingeable playlists. When we talk about creating a bingeable playlist, we're talking about creating a playlist that persons would want to watch over and over and over again. Like, it means that persons will just sit there and just watch at your videos over and over. Step number 9, you need to engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is me simply talking to you, say, hey guys, what's up? If you're enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe with post notifications turned on. That is me engaging with my subscribers. Another way to engage with your subscribers is easily by leaving a comment in the description below, replying to their comments, as well as pinning some of the comments. Not some of the comments, but pinning a comment. Step number 10, promote your channel on social media profiles. You can promote your channel on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok. You can promote it on all social media platforms in order to create a feel or promote your channel. Create a feel or promote. Step number 11, you need to share what you're working on next. For example, if you're working on a giveaway, you should let people know. Let them know. Say, hey, I'm working on a giveaway, and you should stay connected, because soon I'll be doing a giveaway, and definitely persons will continuously come back to your channel, because who don't like free stuff? Step number 12, you need to tell a story. You need to tell a story. Tell them certain things about yourself, if you don't mind sharing that. And that is simple. And there you have 12 simple, easy steps on how to grow your YouTube channel subscribers. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and make sure to subscribe with post notifications turned on. And without any further ado, I will leave you now. Side Hustle Bros signing out. Have a great day.